to save as much weight as possible. A robot is used to cut complex shapes and to reduce material waste. There are over 220 different pieces of carbon that are necessary to construct a single bicycle frame. Angles of 0, 20, and 45 degrees, as well as thicknesses, are closely monitored to ensure consistency. IMP, or Integrated Molding Process, is a process developed by Scott engineers which allows for the carbon layers to be placed on a removable solid core with high precision. This creates a single complex carbon frame rather than a tube-to-tube construction. During the molding process, the layers are compressed while they cure. This adds integrity to the structure and further optimizes the layup of the fibers. In order to assemble a precise final product, areas of the frame with critical tolerances are tuned to ensure they will fit perfectly. The process of assembling the various pre-created parts is like finishing a complex puzzle in which care and precision is mandatory to guarantee high quality. Destruction testing is performed at intervals throughout the production run. Fatigue tests are done in order to gauge the durability of the finished product. Scott's requirements for frame testing are more demanding than industry standards to ensure the best quality product. The painting process takes place in a room equipped with a treated ventilation system. The most advanced enamels are used in order to give a strong and fresh finish. Each decal is installed by hand, and a durable clear coat is applied to protect the finish. Every Scott frame has a serial number, which allows quality controllers to track the product in each level of the process. The mission of the Carbon Experts is achieved when you experience a great ride.